Why do we sneeze? It might seem like just a reaction to dust, but sneezing is crucial for clearing irritants from our nasal passages. When particles like pollen or dust tickle nasal lining, a complex nerve reflex triggers, expelling air rapidly. But did you know emotions or bright lights can also trigger sneezing? Some people even experience photic sneezing due to sunlight. Next time you sneeze, think about this protective mechanism and how it works so efficiently. Share your sneezing triggers and experiences in the comments.